Hi, this is attorney Stephen G. Cobb, and I am board certified in criminal trial law. Today we're going to talk about what a Pensacola criminal defense lawyer can do for you. First of all, anyone who's lived in this particular area or practiced in this particular area for any length of time knows the players and all the procedures that go on in 190 Governmental Center, which is where the courthouse is. I was born in this town. I went to high school and even middle school with some of the people involved. And so I'm going to tell you what a Pensacola criminal defense lawyer can do for you. First of all, you want to get a copy of what's known as the discovery exhibit. A discovery exhibit tells you all types of information about a case. If you just wander into the courtroom by yourself, representing yourself, you're never going to get the best deal. The prosecutor knows you're not a professional criminal defense lawyer. Whereas if you hire a criminal defense lawyer, you have someone on your side who knows the ins and outs of the legal system, and on top of that, they also know if anything's tried to be pulled on you. If someone tries to pull something off that shouldn't happen in a courtroom. I can't tell you the number of times I'm sitting there, and I won't say which judge or which division, but sure enough, I hear somebody come into court representing themselves, and it goes something like this. Judge, ma'am, you're charged with no valid driver's license. The maximum penalty is 60 days in jail and a $500 fine. Now this woman is attired perfectly, looks like a business owner or professional, and she goes, yes, Your Honor. And as I'm sitting there waiting my turn, it goes on and on and on, because this woman's going to plead no contest, and the judge has to ask a series of questions in order to make sure that the plea is knowingly and voluntarily entered. Well, what happens? My ears start to perk up, because being a professional and being board certified and having practiced in this particular courthouse for a long time, I kind of know when a pattern changes. But this lady had no clue. She'd relied on the internet or friends or whatever, and so she keeps answering question after question. You know, yes, I understand I'm giving up my right to a trial by jury, etc., etc. Sure enough, when she's expecting just a fine, no conviction, probation at the worst, the judge goes, okay, I accept your plea as knowingly and voluntarily entered. I'm going to adjudicate you guilty and sentence you to jail for 60 days instanter. Now, nobody walks around saying instanter. However, it does have a very specific meaning in a court of law. It means right now. And so this lady, the look on her face was of utter shock and surprise. She's buckled up, she's taken out of the courtroom, and as she's starting to cry, she can barely say the word but. Now, this is a very important principle that you need to know when you're in Escambia County Court. Surprise normally equals bad. Not all the time, but most of the time. One of the things you want to have is a professional and preferably an expert. If you have any kind of a case or someone you love has any kind of a case where you can go to jail or prison, you need someone who's on your side. This is attorney Stephen G. Cobb, casual today after court, and I am a board certified expert in criminal trial law. Thank you.